Today, you and I are going out for pizza, so I bought this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this. You might recognize it. It's a pizza carrier. I don't think you have to use them just for pizza, but I bought it online because I was like, you know, I love pizza, and when you're going to a lot of the local chain places, they're only like 5-10 minutes away from your house. But if you want something special, they might not have the locations near you, and in this case, here in Chicago, it couldn't be anything like Lou Malnati's, Giordano's, Jet's Pizza. You know, all of those places are about 20-25 minutes from me. And so when you get that pizza and you put it in your car and you're driving home and then you factor in a little traffic, you know, half an hour is a long time for pizza just to be sitting in the back of your car, cooling off, drying out, getting soggy. So I thought, why not pick up one of these? They seem to work for delivery guys, and so I found it online, and it has this thick nylon exterior. I actually got the biggest one I could find. What you can see is we've got a couple handles here because this thing will actually open up kind of like a cooler box. Look how big that sucker is. So I could probably put 6 or 7 large pizzas in there. We have a nylon lining. It's not plastic, but it does have some sort of foam here. It's not super heavy, but that's the insulator, I believe, so it should keep everything nice and warm. When you zip this up here, it should actually trap in all of that steam, so it should stay nice and moist. But then I can close it up like this, zip it up all the way around, and then carry it, especially if you're having a lot of people over for the holidays, something like that. You want to pick up a bunch of pizzas from a place that's not local to you, well, this will allow you to do it. So let's go and try it out. All right, so we're here at Lou Malnati's Pizza. It's actually more Detroit style, even though people call it Chicago style, but it's not. I could show you, compared to Giordano's, why it's more Detroit style than Chicago style. But let's get our pizza and see if this thing keeps it warm. So they are in there. Smells pretty good. Detroit style. Now, look how much space there is. These 2 large Lou's are leaving quite a bit of space in there. I could pack some clothes in there. But I'm going to zip this up and kind of squish it down so I don't have a lot of cold air surrounding it. But we'll see if it makes the trip home and stays warm. All right, 30 minutes later, made it back home. And now I'm kind of curious to see if the pizza is still even edible. So as you can see, I scrunched it down here and zipped the sucker up. Oh man, I'm getting hit by a wave of steam as I'm opening this thing up. And so I am pretty hopeful. Ooh, the boxes are still nice and hot, which is great because it's a nice, cool fall day. And yeah, that looks pretty good. I think that's the Lou, by the way. They're a little special. And it's hot. All right, so if you have to transport pizza from a long ways away and you want to make sure that it's hot when you get home, I think this pizza carrier is a pretty good idea. And it doesn't have to be pizza. It can be Indian food or Chinese food or 30 pounds of tater tots, whatever you want. So if you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.